stability, survival. Repeat these two words once.
Stability, survival.
Stability, survival. These two are more important than speed. Remember this one. Stability and survival are more important than speed. Okay, how speedily I want to run, not important, man. So how long, how much time I can run, that matters a lot. How much time I can run. Okay, like Apple company, world #1 company. Correct, right? Are you going to accept this one?
Yes.
That company had $150 billion. $150 billion cash reserves for that company. Remember this one. Okay. So next few years, next couple of years, Apple company not getting single rupee revenue generation also. That company is in a position to survive multiple years because of that cash reserves. It's a debt-free company. Next, at the same time, cash reserves are there. Can I use the word, is it a stable company?
Yes.
Yes, friends. Is it a stable company or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, in any today A, or otherwise tomorrow some X problem is coming. Day after tomorrow some Y problem is coming. Any problem, man. For next 5 to 7 years, even we are not getting single rupee income also. Our company for the next 7 years or 8 years, there is no doka at all. Happily, it's going to run. That is the power of cash reserves. But other companies, if any important project by mistake gone, then automatically this company is going to shake like anything. Have you saw multiple companies who are not in a position to pay the money?
Yes, sir.
Not in a position to pay the salaries. Multiple companies you are saying, right? Shaking like anything. Just for small jerk. Why should not be like Apple? Apple, at least. So you should have emergency fund.